So you have been asking that what's the latest information on EFS Efsanet? Well. Efsanet officially deployed their EFS yesterday, and this is the official Twitter handle. It said EFS officially landed on BNB chain, entering a new era of encryption. A major milestone has been achieved. EFS has been successfully deployed to the BNB chain mainnet today. On-chain transparency, public chain certification, and global traceability ushering in a new era. So I'm just going to click on this show more. So now that total token insurance, total token is just 500 million, and initial price is 3 USDT, and they say as a progress or on their listing date they're going to be listing at 6 USDT. Hey, let's hope that's true. So we want to add this address, this contract address to our wallet. So I'm going to be using OKX for illustration. You can use MetaMask, but I'm going to be using OKX for illustration. You can also use Trust Wallet. So hey lovelies, if you're new to my vlog channel, you're most welcome. My name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side, my new favorite recipes on cakes, mochos, food trade, commercial drinks, and so much more. I also share Web3 job videos and how to yap correctly. So this is a channel you want to subscribe to. This is my major concern. This year is my major concern. So I'm just going to copy this now, click on it, and I'm going to open it in my Mrs. browser. So I'll come down here, I'll click on this three dots, and then I'm going to click on share via, and I'll be selecting Mrs. browser here. So this is what I usually do whenever I'm working on any crypto projects. It works perfectly fine on Mrs. browser. So it's going to open on Mrs. browser, and I'm going to copy the contract address. This may take several minutes to open up. It took me about 7 minutes to open up, yes, on my Mrs. browser. So this is it now. I'm just going to scroll up, and you can see that it is not, EFS is not yet listed. They only deployed or deposited like the frozen EFS on the BNB chain. So this is a token address we want to copy. We're going to copy this token address. You just come here, you click on copy. Then I'm going to go to my OKX wallet right now, and I'm going to add this contract address. I'm also going to be leaving the contract address in the description box of this video. I'll leave the contract address in the description box of this video, and if you're on the Telegram platform, you'll be seeing the contract address and the decimal and some other information. So if you have not joined the Telegram platform, do yourself a very big favor to join the Telegram platform by the link in the description box of this video. Yes, this is my OKX wallet. You can use Trust Wallet, you can use MetaMask, but I'm using OKX. Now if you come down here right now, we are going to see some tokens here. You see some tokens here, yeah, this, and then you want to add a custom contract address. So you click on that icon there. It's going to bring, once you are here, you are going to be seeing a BNB EFS under BNB once they are fully onboarded. But right now they're not fully onboarded, but just adding the contract address. So you're going to come here, you're going to click on the custom crypto. You click on the custom crypto just like this. It's going to bring you here. The first thing you want to do is to select your network type. So you click on this drop down button, and you're going to select BNB, because that is what they say they're going to onboard fully on. So this is the BNB chain right here. You're going to select that. Then you're going to paste the contract address I'm going to be dropping in the description box of this video or on Telegram. So you're not yet on Telegram, join Telegram. Then this crypto symbol we are going to add, you see, it automatically brought it out. So if it doesn't bring yours out on your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask, just write your EFS here and write decimal point as 18. Make sure the network is BNB chain. So I'm going to now come down here and click on confirm. It will bring up this security warning that this token is unsafe. This token carries potential risks. Proceed with caution. Yes, just ignore it and just go to continue. This is because EFS, the frozen EFS, is not yet fully onboarded on the BNB chain. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on continue, and it's going to add this. See, network busy, try again later. So I will do that again. It's going to add this automatically. So you see added, I did that again and it's already added. So let me scroll up and you're going to see the EFS. Now look at this. This is EFS under the BNB chain network. So that is all you need to do for now. How to add your contract address of any contract address you want to add to OKS. This is just how to go about doing it, and this is also how to add your EFS contract address. So what you need to do if you have not started this project Efsanet, you need to just start immediately. I have a lot of videos of how to start your Efsanet, how to swap tokens, how to convert to cash, and even a video on how I withdrew my Efsanet, how I withdrew it. So if these are videos you want to keep seeing, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop videos. So that's all for me for now. Remember to join the Telegram platform so that you get instant update as it day hot. See you in another subsequent update. Bye for now.